YouTube, got another video here. This is, I believe it's a Tyrod, I believe 4 or 5, I can't remember the number, go-kart. So this one, I've actually already extended the frame. I've added a foot to it up here in the front. I've got to clean those welds up, do a little more work with that, but for the most part, got all that. I actually sleeved the inside. It's got piece of 4-inch tubing that slipped inside, and then I believe the outside's like 1.5 inch tubing over that. So I'll kind of clean all that up and get it all smoothed out to where you can't tell that it's there. Then plan to strip all the frame and finish stripping it down. I also extended the steering up top here. I also plan to either unbolt this and move it forward up into here, so it'll raise this up. I want to raise this up probably another 3 inches. Right now it's a little low, gets kind of caught on your lap when you're trying to turn. So want to get that raised up a little bit. I honestly think I can just pull those forward and drill new holes and bolt it back in. There's plenty of room to do that with the steering. So that's kind of the plan. I may just extend that. I don't know for sure which direction I'm going to go yet, but I've got that planned. Again, like I said, stripping the whole frame, cleaning that all up. At some point this is cracked out and also cracked in here, so somebody's repaired that, but I'll get all this grinded down, cleaned up, and same thing here. I don't know if you may not be able to see that, but you can kind of see that hairline crack in here-ish. So kind of the plan is I'll grind all that back off, clean that all up, get this motor mount plate straightened out, and basically clean it all up. So got new throttle and brake lines coming. I'll have to probably build another one of these for the throttle on the other side there. I'll probably just build the exact same thing. I don't know who made this, or if that's how it came, but that actually works out really nice. So I'll do kind of the same thing for the throttle and then have the brake there. Like I said, I got both those coming. This is the original motor. I got it running. After getting it running and riding it a little bit, it leaks more oil than I can keep in it. It's a little 5.5 horse. Basically, it looks like a Honda clone. So does run, just leaks a lot of oil. So don't plan on putting it back. I actually have a Honda motor here that the clutch fits on. So that's kind of the plan. That motor there will go back on this cart, and like I said, we'll kind of plans to strip this down, clean it all up, get everything straight, and repaint it all. So I'll kind of do a mini series, probably have this video and then probably one more when it's said and done. So anyway, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.